Just ask Morgan about her.
No, we still owe her some drama. Some dirt on Mary Bell. Don't worry, first thing Monday morning, I hit her with, "Your mom's birthday was wild." She'll throw hands.
Bold plan, but maybe don't get your jaw cracked for it.
Then you be the villain. Tell her I bewitched you. With trauma and eyeliner. That'll ruin her whole week.
Yeah. Or I tell her I kissed you in the archive. And then I took you up here because I wanted to kiss you again. How about the shirt I wore yesterday, with my name on it? She's been after it for like 2 years. You wouldn't even have to say anything. Just show up in it. She'll blow up.
That t-shirt would get me jumped before the bell even rings.
Right.
But hey, don't cave. Don't give it to her. That t-shirt's not just a t-shirt. It's a trophy. Proof she won you. You know, most girls are more likely to get a ring someday than, I don't know, a t-shirt from a hot guy with his name on it. That's like peak status. Wearing your name, it's like saying, I'm yours.
Sailor. Did I freak you out again?
No, not you. Just, I don't know. I feel anxious, overwhelmed.
I mean, overwhelmed is kind of my goal here.
I get that you want to practice your kissing skills on me.
What? I'm not.
I just can't focus after. My brain's like remixing it into scenes that didn't even happen.
Oh, so you fantasize about me.
Can we go already?
All right. But hey, wait, I got an idea.
What's this even for?
Just documenting our field trip.
Dima said the fireworks were probably from some fancy party in Ashbury Hills. Birthdays, weddings, rich people stuff. He offered to drive us over, but I told him I wanted to go home.